Good afternoon, students. Yesterday we have discussed some angles of chapter 6. Today some more angles left that we will discuss now. Uh, Today I am discussing this complementary angle. What are complementary angles? Two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degrees. Suppose one is 30, other is 60. 60 plus 9, 60 plus 30, 90. If two angle sum is 90 na, then we can say that these two angles are complementary if their sum is 90. Okay, here we can write 15 and 75. These are complement of each other, right? We can take any 45 and 45. If total sum is 90, then they are complement of each other, right? Any two angle sum is 190 degree na, then we can say that these two angle are complementary angles, means one is complementary angle of the other, right? And complementary angles need not be adjacent. It is not necessary that these are only adjacent angles, right? So next, supplementary angles. Two angles sum is 180 degree na. If two angles sum is 180 degree, then we can say that these two angles are supplementary. Suppose you can take 120 plus 60, total sum is 180, है ना? You can take 80 plus 100, that is also 180. So both are supplement of each other, right? You can take any two if their sum is 180 degree na, then it will become a supplementary angles, right? These are supplementary angles, but these supplementary angles are also, it is not necessary that these are adjacent only. Only their sum is 180, then we can say that these two angles are supplementary. Got it? Next, angles at a point. What is the meaning of that angle at a point? We can take one point and we can make so many angle for this point only. So many angle we can take, but their sum will be 360. Now look in this figure, 5 angles are making 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If total sum is 360, then we can say that sum of angle at a point is 360. So angle at a point means you can make any angle. It is not necessary that only 5 angle you can make 6, you can make 7, you can make 10, you can make 100. So many angles you can make at the point. So these are called the angles at a point, but their sum should be 360 degree, right? Next, angles on one side of a line. Yes, if we are having, look at this figure, we are having one line only, then angle on one line means one side of the line. 3 angles if we will make, suppose 1, 2 and 3, their sum is 180 degree. If we will make on the line, any angles we can make. It is not necessary that only 3 angle you can make. You can make any angles, but on one side if it is there na, then their sum is always 180 degree. You can make so many angles over there also, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These total sum is also 180 degree, है ना? Then we can say that angle on one side of a line, right? This is the angle on the one side of a line. This is true no matter how many angles make the straight line. Thus, the sum of angles at a point on one side of a line is 180 degree. Look, these all are making at one point only on that line. So their sum should be 180 degree. Then we can say that angles on one side of a line. Okay. Next, vertically opposite angles. What are vertically opposite angles? When two lines intersect, they form 4 angles. है ना? If we will look at this figure, 2 lines are there. है ना? One is this, one is this. If these 2 lines will intersect at one point, they form angles. Means 4 angles they will form. This, and this. Right? Suppose one is A, other is B, one is C, other is D. Right? So if 2 lines are intersecting, then they form vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angle means A and B, C and D. These are vertically opposite angle, and vertically opposite angles are equal, right? A equal to B and C equal to D, right? So vertically opposite angles are equal. They vertically opposite angle only form when two lines will intersect, right? So when two lines intersect each other, they form four angles. Then angle a and b are vertically opposite, c and d are vertically opposite angle, right? So these all angles are called vertically opposite angles. Understand to all? Okay, next I think one theorem is there that we will discuss after this. If two lines intersect each other, then vertically opposite angles are equal. Now we have done only means we have done this. Now we will do the proof of that. If two lines will intersect, then vertically opposite angle will be formed. But these vertically opposite angles are equal, right? So we will do this theorem, right? So proof. First we will start to prove. What is given to us? Two lines. Suppose this is a L and M, two lines L and M. L and M are two lines. M is small here. Intersect each other at O. ठीक है, we will give the name here O, right? Next, what we have to prove? Vertically opposite angles are equal. I am giving name here A, B, C and D. A, B, C and D. Okay. These name I am giving. Now which angles we have to prove equal? This and this and this and this. These two angles are equal, we have to prove, right? So AOB equal to COD. Right? And AOD equal to BOC. These we have to prove equal, right? Now we will start the proof. So in proof, we will take one line like this. This is a straight line BOD, and OC fall on it. So in BOD, this angle and this angle sum is 180 degree because of linear pair. Look at here. BOD is a line. OA fallen on it, then this angle and this angle, these two angles sum is 180 degree, right? Because of linear pair, right? In the same way, I am taking this line AOC and OD is fallen on it. So angle AOD means this angle plus this angle form 180 degree because of linear pair, If both are equal to 180, then we can take both equal. So from these two, we will get two angles are equal, right? So first I am taking this BOD is a straight line. Right? So angle BOA, AOB plus angle AOD is equal to 180 because of linear pair angles, right? Linear pair sum is 180 degree, Now I am taking this AOC. AOC is a straight line. So, angle AOD plus DOC is equal to 180 because of linear pair. है ना? Angle AOD plus angle DOC या COD is equal to 180 because of linear pair. Right? This is equation 1. We will give this equation name 1 and this equation name 2. Right? Now from 1 and 2, I am writing here. Otherwise, we add one slide. From 1 and 2, first AOB plus AOD is written equal to 180 and AOD plus COD equal to 180. From 1 and 2 both are equal to 180 means both are equal, है ना? AOB plus AOD equal to AOD plus COD. Both are equal because of both equations are equal to 180. It means that this full equation, this side and this side are also equal, right? So from 1 and 2, AOB plus AOD equal to angle AOB plus angle AOD equal to angle AOD plus COD, right? Now look from both sides, AOD and AOD will cancel, है ना? What is left? Angle AOB equal to angle COD. Check once. AOB equal to COD means this angle AOB and this COD. AOB and COD are equal came, है ना? Similarly, we can prove this angle and this angle also. In the same way, we will do. Similarly, no need to prove again. You can write like this. Similarly, angle, which angle we have to prove there? Angle AOD equal to angle BOC. So hence prove vertically opposite angles are equal when two lines are intersect each other at one point. I hope this theorem understand to all. If any doubt is there, you can ask. Again, I am telling, if two lines will intersect each other, if two lines will intersect each other at one point, suppose one line is L, other line is M, then their vertically opposite angles are equal, right? So this angle and this angle will equal and this angle and this angle will equal. AOB and COD will be equal and AOD and BOC will be equal. That we have to prove, right? Because vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. So in proof, what we will do? First, we will take a straight line BOD, right? BOD is a straight line, and in this straight line, two angles are there. One is this and one is this. So angle AOB and AOD equal to 180 degree because of linear pair. Both are forming a linear pair. Okay, next I am taking this line AOC. In AOC, AOD plus COD, these two angles sum is 180 degree because they are forming a linear pair. They are forming a linear pair. Okay, so this is equation 1, I am giving the name, and this is equation 2, I am giving the name. Now if this total sum is 180, these two angle sum is also 180, so both are equal to 180. It means that both are equal means first equation, and from 1 and 2 we can take this side and this side, both are equal, right? From 1 and 2, angle AOB and angle AOD and angle AOD and COD both will come equal because both equations are equal to 180 degree, right? So AOD and AOD will cancel from both sides. So what will left? Angle AOB equal to angle COD. So angle AOB and COD are equal, means these two angles we have proved now equal. Similarly, we can prove this angle and this angle are also equal, means AOD equal to BOC. So hence proved, we have proved now that vertically opposite angles are equal if two lines are intersect, right? Next, last point is that intersecting lines and parallel lines. What are intersecting lines? When two lines will meet at one point, they are called intersecting lines, and when two lines will never meet, they are called parallel lines, right? These are parallel lines when two lines will never intersect, and whenever two lines will intersect at one point, means they will meet at one point, then we can say that two lines are intersecting. I hope this theorem and all things are understand to all. So thank you very much for watching this video.